Hello, my name is Hu. I'm a junior student majoring in computer engineering at FIU. I'm working as an undergraduate research assistant under Dr. Banzani Lab, and my current project is called Virtual Reality Based Remote Control of Additive Manufacturing. Additive manufacturing has grown in significance for efficient productions, allowing rapid prototyping and on-demand manufacturing across various industries. However, traditional methods of controlling 3D printers often encounter challenges such as physical proximity, manual oversight, and the need for real-time adjustment. To address these limitations, I propose using VR technology to remotely control 3D printers. By wearing VR headset and using controller, user can enter a virtual lab containing multiple digital copy of real objects, complete with G code and ready to 3D print. All users have to do are grasping the object that they want to print, place it on the bed, press the button, and then the real 3D printer will start to print. Let's go to the lab and I will show you more.
Well, today we're gonna show our progress on the project, virtual reality-based remote control of 3D printer. For the material, we're using the Metal Press Pro, the PC, and the 3D printer over there. And right now, the PC and the 3D printer are connected on the same network. And the way they communicate to each other is using point-to-point and MQTT protocol. For that, we're using the Anchor CTL, which is the command line interface for controlling and interface with the 3D printer. Right now, the PC is running Unreal Engine, and this is the Python script that we made to communicate with the Anchor CTL, which is the command line interface tool. And this is the blueprint for the printing button that we also created for when you press it and then the real printer start to print. Now I'm in the virtual lab, and in front of me is showing that the nozzle temperature, the bed temperature. Over here is showing the time remaining, the progress, the speed, all displaying zero because the printer is not printing right now. And as you can see, this is the printing bed and this is the printing button. There's no object on this, so it's showing no object has been uploaded to display the another object for the printer, and the printer is not ready. On my right side, I have different 3D objects that complete with G code and be ready to 3D print. So let's say I want to print the bus. I'm grabbing it, press it on the printing bed, and it's showing bus have been uploaded. The printer is ready, and then I press the button, and then the real 3D printer will start to print. It takes a couple of seconds for the PC to sending the file to the printer. Okay, so I guess okay. Now the since it's finished sending the file, you see the target temperature has been updated, and the time remaining, and the speed also like updated.
now you can see that it's updating every 3 seconds, and when it's reaching 0 means the print is finished, and you can just place another object, like for example this one, onto the printing bed, and then you can start to print a new one. But the printer is printing right now, it's still showing the printer is in progress. This is the bus printed by the Anchormake M5 3D printer, and this is the real bus. As you can see, they are pretty identical to each other, except the printing object doesn't have the small details on the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. But overall, this project demonstrates significant promise. Delivery improved operational flexibility, remote accessibility, and adaptability to different applications such as aerospace prototyping, educational training environments where the professors don't have to bring the whole 3D printer to the classroom, but still be able to teach their students, and also biotechnology where the printer is placed in a clean room and user can still access and control the 3D printer. Thank you very much for watching this video.